Natawa ako kasi alam niya yung pangalan ko, Lorena Castro. Kasi sabi niya, pag doon nag-open ako ng video, sabihin daw namin is, hi guys! O, ngayon sabi niya, sabihin mo ka, ni Lorena Castro. So, yan yung start na namin. Part 2 na to kasi yung part 1 yung pagpunta pa lang namin. So, ito yung part 2 na as in, nandiyan na kami sa inside the pool. So, nag-start na dyan yung aming kulitan. Ayan na.
Hi. So, as I told you, we're gonna be at the pool. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Tuwan-tuwa siya kapag ina-allowed ko siya na hawakan yung tripod ko and then mag-vlog siya kasi talagang gusto niya. Sabi niya, vlogger din daw siya. Hindi daw pwedeng ako lang. Kaya ayan, makulit yan talaga. Sabi niya, yung araw na yan is kanya. So, kaya hinayaan ko from the beginning, yung part 1 namin siya, may hawak ng tripod ko kung paano kami pupunta ng pool. Hanggang yan sa gitna ng swimming pool. Siya pa rin ang bida.
Look at the water. Look. I won. Ha ha ha. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, the water is actually really nice. Hello, hello.
Ayan, nagsasenyo sa huwag dumain kasi sasakyan na naman siya sa likod ko. Kukulitin na naman ako kasi ganyan kami dalawa pag kami magkasama lalo pag nasa swimming pool. So, parang talaga kami mag-ina, di ba? So, kung ano yung relasyon ng isang anak at saka ng nanay, ayan. So, feel na feel niya talaga kasi spoiled siya sa akin.
Ang pangit mo. Everybody will say, oh my God, that's very so pangit.
You can if you're wearing the 80s clothes.
Tomorrow I will wear another one.
Natatawa ako dyan kasi last din sinasabi niya, ito aking swimsuit is from 80s kasi diba is may polka dots. Kasi yung sanay siya sa akin ng mga swimsuit ko is, alam niyo na, Shala. So, wala kasi akong magawa. Wala akong mabunot kasi nga, madali ay yung swimming naman. Kaya sabi ko, on the next time, I will wear my new swimsuit. Tsaka kasi tinatamad ako mag-swimsuit ng Shala kasi nga, antaba ko. So, parang hindi match pag nag-swimsuit ka na maganda. Tapos yung mga bilbil mo is naglalabasan, di ba?
Louder.
Isa.
Again. Tomorrow I will not come.
I don't know.
Isa.
Dalawa.
Again.
Isa,
Isa.
dalawa, tatlo.
Apat.
Apat.
Lima.
5. Ano?
Ano?
Oh, guys, you just glitched. So, yeah, the internet's not that good here.
Ate EJ, say ate, hello Ate EJ. Shout out Ate EJ.
Hi, Ate AJ! If you're watching this, bye! Sorry that I can't
Diyos ko,
count
ang
the number.
init, grabe. Ewan ko ba, wala kasi kami ginagawa sa bahay. Tapos, Sunday kasi eh. So, pag Sunday, parang off ko din. Kaya lang, nandun ako sa bahay. And then, nainip ako. Kasi 5 o'clock na, 6 o'clock tapos na. So, sabi ko sa alaga ako, tara mag-swimming na lang tayo. And the water is so nice! Aray ko. Yun, ganyan kakulit. Kami lang nandito, tsaka yung magkasawang Briton. O, diba? Ang taba-taba. Aray, look at your nail. Sasama niya. Diba? So, ayan. Meron kaming bago kasing ampon. Isang asong malaki. Nagulat ako kagabi. Maghapon kasi ko nasa bahay kahapon kasi day off ko kahapon. So, tinatamad ako lumabas kasi sandstorm at saka wala akong pera. And then, hapon, sabi ng friend ko, sandstorm daw. Yung pala, bagyo na. Aray! Look at your bogey! Ellie, stop it! So, ako kasi ayoko ng Sunday. Kasi pag Sunday, at nag-off ka, di pagod ka ng Saturday. Leave it! One! Then, pagka Saturday kasi, so Friday kasi half day. So, nare-rest. And then Sunday, Saturday, Bella? Isa. Then, pag Sunday kasi, so pagod, di ba? Imbes na yung work mo, pag Sunday naman,
Guys.
lunch lang namin inasikaso ko. So, gusto niya kasi is pasta. Look at your, what is this? Migas down. So, pasta. And then,
Tita,
tomorrow,
Tita, I'm trying to talk. So, guys, you want to see my tricks, don't you? Okay, let me show you.
social trick.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Go there. I don't want you to be in the camera when I'm doing my tricks.
Okay, go.
More further.
Okay, go.
Okay, since now I'm all alone, I can do my actual thing. Showing you my tricks. Nice and fresh. If you couldn't see it, guys, I can just do it again. This is called a handstand.
I need to put color.
Get out of here. Get out.
Otherwise, I will turn it off.
Get out of here. Okay, now we are free. Get out.
I want to watch.
Get out
Don't.
of here.
No. Don't be like that. Otherwise, tomorrow I will not come with you.
Okay, I'm going to show you the handstand trick if anybody did not see me, okay?
So, yan yung papakita doon niya yung tricks niya. Tingnan mo, parang octopus lang eh. Yan ang hilig niya kasi pag nasa pool kami, kung ano-anong movements ang ginagawa. So, talagang pinapalis niya ako kasi gusto niya masolo yung camera.
Bless myself. So, now
I can't see myself.
you can.
Why?
Baby.
Maybe I don't have eyeglasses.
Oh, baby. So, in her channel, it's gonna be my channel. Don't tell her that. And she stinks. Just don't tell her that, okay? If you do, she's gonna kick me. Look, she's right over there. Disturb Raymond. So yeah.
Nakakatuwa yan kasi nga gusto niya yung name ng YouTube channel ko is palitan ko na i-combine yung pangalan niya at saka pangalan ko as Annabelle kasi Anna at saka Bella. So sabi niya dapat Annabelle. Kaya nagsalita siya na listen kasi channel ko to, huwag kayong maingay kasi pag narinig niya, kikik niya ako. So kaya ako natatawa kasi naririnig ko yun. So nanggugulo na kasi nga sabi ko nga babus na pero hindi pa rin ako nagpapaalam. So ngayon babay na kasi nag-start na ang sandstorm. So see you in my next video. Babus!